Oh.
Spirit animal.
Uh-oh. Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. We have ventured finally back here at Universal Studios. Now we didn't actually come alone. We actually have our family. That's right, dude. We have Daniel from Real Family Adventures, dude. We have a full-on cast today. We're definitely gonna be seeing some theme park updates, possibly eating some food. But you know what? This wouldn't be Adventures with David or Real Family Adventures without the word fun.
Lots of fun.
All right, if you're ready, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, it is time for a Universal adventure. Let's go. It feels so great to be back here at Universal Studios, to definitely check out some updates. It just feels good to be just inside this park, dude. It's so much fun. There's a lot to actually see. Or a Scooby snack.
Hi. What about Scooby snacks? Do you have some with you?
Not with me right now. I know I said it without it actually, him actually knowing.
Look, they're gonna cry.
Aww.
Look, he's getting emotional.
Oh no.
Look, there's tears forming in his eyes. Scooby's already crying. Scooby's distraught.
I think anyone who's named David should have a Scooby snack. Anyone named David around here?
David now.
David? All right, David.
Oh wait, here he is. Ready, 1, 2, and...
We're good.
Your little ones had such a great interaction with them. I had a fun interaction with them. Now, I had a photo down there. It was our friend Deadpool.
Yeah.
He was one of, I guess, the Phantom Ghost.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that was at Creep.ie.
Creep.ie.
Yeah.
I feel like at the most part, the main juggernauts have to be Universal and Knott's Berry Farm.
What's great is how they actually interacted with everybody.
Yes.
That was like like they gave us a little extra.
Yeah.
But look, if you notice the line, they're doing it with everybody.
Yes.
So that's how good they are. They're giving everybody that love and that interaction, because that picture, yeah, it's a picture at the end of the day, but the kids are going to remember that interaction.
Exactly.
So, and make sure, I know you guys are watching and you may be or may not be subscribed to my buddy, but take a moment now, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because this guy's got a lot of stuff coming up. Oh, and by the way, hit that like button on this video, guys.
Yes. Look at that, seems safe. There's a runaway train. Hey, it's Cryo. Uh-oh. Oh, he's fine. It happens to him all the time. Just scratch.
Clear the area. Repeat, clear the area.
Uh-oh. Woo! We're fine.
Where USA, you could take the screen and pop it down almost anywhere USA that's right now.
Look, bro, it's 10.
One of the most popular
They were actually up there.
There's
10 to house.
We went to the Super Bowl.
Dude, it actually is pretty awesome. We definitely did the studio tour. Now they did actually not actually go have us through with the earthquake actually is for Little Italy, but we definitely saw so much, man, inside that studio tour. The studio tram tour is so amazing. It's turning 60 in July, so I cannot wait, man, to definitely come back and showcase to you guys, possibly getting a button for this 60th anniversary of the studio tram tour. Woo! What's up, Mark? Yeah! We love you, Mark! Yeah! Alright guys, so we definitely stopped by the KRUSTY Burger. We're gonna take a quick break. We definitely tried is the Clogger Burger. Now this one is a 2 third-pound burger patty with applewood smoked bacon, secret sauce, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles on a specialty bun. Crinkle cut fries. Yes, please. Alright guys, look at the size of this sucker, dude. It truly is a clogger, dude. Bottoms up, guys. Look at this. It's like talking to me. Bottoms up. Oh yeah, this is a must. This thing is huge. This will definitely clog some arteries. Now the one thing I have to say, I definitely understand the amount of people that are ordering the meals. I feel at times the wait times on it from start to finish are a little bit longer than anticipated. For me, usually when I go to theme parks, it's usually timed pretty well, and it was pretty hard to find seats here. Always great to see you. See, we always got a kung fu fight, right? There we go. Look at those moves. Look at our favorite donkey.
How are you? Your favorite?
That's right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what's your favorite pie?
Favorite pie? I mean, it changes. Blueberry, with some whipped cream on it. You heat that thing up, or some apple. Get some vanilla ice cream. Watch out now. What's your favorite pie? What do you like?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin. Oh yes. See, give me on the holidays on a pumpkin pie, and I'll devour that thing.
It's always good to see you, Donkey.
It's always good to see you, my friend.
All hail King Julien. Always likes to move it, move it. There we go. The life of the party right there.
That was my next.
Well, we love you, King Julien. Oh, I know, it's furry. All right, ready for a picture? Oh. Right over here, this is so incredible. We definitely get some more looks of what the Fast and Furious ride. Now, it actually is pretty cool. Look at it. Warning, 80-foot drop. Do not climb. Wow. Dude, this crane is incredibly awesome. I love to see designs like this, but dude, we're actually slowly but surely starting to see more and more. Now, it doesn't seem like the rain is actually, kind of deterring a lot of these constructions, because it looks like there's a lot going on since the last time I actually seen, some of these updates. Look at, there's the studio tour. And looks like they're starting to get the pillars in right now. So again, we're going to start seeing more and more as the days and the weeks progress. Now, one thing I actually thought about for a minute was, what else would be better than the Fast and Furious? I would actually love it if they had the Back to the Future attraction here. Kind of like how the Incredicoaster runs, where they count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They can have it to where you hear Christopher Lloyd yelling 65, 75, 85, 88, and then you just go. Right when you hit the 88 miles per hour, you feel like you're going back in time. You can get the tunnels where you can hear Biff Tannen, you can hear Marty McFly, you can hear, different types as you're going through, progressing through the story. They are doing the Fast and Furious attraction here, but I just kind of wish that they had the Back to the Future attraction. That would have been awesome. Oh, look who we got here. Hey, that's right. Flew all the way here for some, look at Hollywood.
You flew all the way here, she flew all the way here.
She did. Well, I came over here to see you. Oh, that's right. It's always great to see you. Oh, thank you. All right, you ready for a picture?
Good luck, puppies.
Wait! I love cats!
That's how you end up! Congratulations! This is how you end this awesome day. We're getting adopted!
I think it's because of me.
Probably. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
You guys at home! Yeah!
Oh, look who we got here. We got Brent! Oh, the one and only. No group today, huh? Just you? Oh, it's all you. It's all you.
I know. You can't take your eyes off me. I get it. I'm like a train wreck that way. You want to look away, but you can't. I get it. Honestly, I'm like a train wreck in a lot of ways. It's sort of my spirit animal.
Rather than these balloons, you can get one of these balloons.
I did not know that. Oh, stop.
Oh.
Now we're talking.
I
See,
gotta
now
get
we-
closer to you guys.
I get ready for my close-up there, right? How am I looking? Pretty good?
Very well.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
we'll give you the catalog.
Oh,
There you,
now you-
oh, there you go.
Right.
Oh,
The
what's
C-
that?
The Sears
Oh,
catalog.
what's that? Oh, it's funny. We'll see you later.
All right, guys.
All right.
Dude, WaterWorld is always going to be so much fun, huh?
We actually make a point to watch WaterWorld.
You have to.
Every time we come. I almost said WonderWorld because
No.
it's.
It makes you wonder
Yeah,
at times,
it does,
you know?
yeah.
Well, we didn't actually see our favorite. Emerson actually wasn't
Oh, I know.
here today.
Yeah.
I think the deacon took him somewhere else.
Yeah. He's probably looking for some dirt.
That show is always so much fun, man. It really is. I would say at the most part, if you want to see it, the middle, right? I think the middle might be better.
Middle, we got, okay, we sat somewhere completely different this
Yeah.
time, which is okay because we got different angles. But if you get mid-stage, well, not stage, but center of the arena, that's the spot.
Look at these two. Oh, hey, Frank. And that's how you end today's vlog. So great. We definitely ate some awesome food. Definitely walked around. Yeah, let me tell you, we had such a great time at the upper lot. It was actually pretty cool. We saw a mass amount of interactions with characters this time around. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this fun adventure, make sure you guys do give this Universal vlog a thumbs up. And if you guys want to follow me on all my many fun adventures right now, make sure you guys are subscribed. Yes, we didn't go to the lower lot to definitely check out Super Nintendo World, Transformers and all that, but we will be back here, so you guys need to subscribe right now, dude, because we're gonna be back here at Universal with our friends. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go. Hurry up, bro, hurry up. You gotta get our button. You gotta get our button. Come on.
Mario Kart.
That right there will always live somewhere near and dear to my heart, dude. So that's how you remember Super Nintendo World, baby. First anniversary. Let's go. Did someone throw a quarter on this guy's head? Look at this.
Just yours. Okay, have a tray. Okay. Have a tray.